Hello students, today we will study about the importance of pH in everyday life. Is pH only important in the chemistry lab, or does it also affect the life of plants, animals and human beings in daily life? Did you know that when acid rain falls into the river, the overall pH of water reduces and living organisms in the river cannot survive if the change in pH is too much? In such cases, survival of aquatic organisms become difficult. What about the survival of plants? What is the most important factor for the growth of a plant? It is the soil from where the plants get all the nutrients and water. The plants require a specific pH of soil for healthy growth. Plants cannot grow if the soil is too alkaline or too acidic. The pH of acidic soil can reach as low as 4 and that of a basic soil can go up to 8.3. So, if the soil is too acidic, its pH can be raised by adding quicklime, which is calcium oxide, slaked lime, which is calcium hydroxide, or chalk powder, which is calcium carbonate, to neutralize the excess of acid in the soil. Similarly, if the soil is too basic, then its pH can be lowered by adding some other chemical substances like gypsum, which is a chemical substance used for making plaster of Paris. We will get to that point later. Gypsum can neutralize excess of base in the soil. Now, does the pH affect us also? As you know that our stomach produces very dilute hydrochloric acid, which helps in digestion. But if too much acid is produced, it causes pain and irritation. It can even cause ulcers. In order to treat this excess of acid in our stomach, a patient is advised to take antacid tablets, which can neutralize the effect of acid. Milk of magnesia, which contains magnesium hydroxide, is an antacid. Also, baking soda, which is used in bakery products, is also an antacid, which is used to neutralize the acid present in our stomach. This acid is neutralized to form salt and water. What about the pH in our mouth? The pH in our mouth has an effect on our teeth. The tooth enamel, which is the hardest substance in our body, does not dissolve in water, but it gets corroded slowly when the pH in the mouth falls below 5.5. But how does the pH fall below 5.5? Children, when we eat food, some of the food particles remain attached to the teeth. The bacteria present in mouth produce acids by the degradation of sugar and other food particles present in our mouth. This is what causes the decaying in the teeth. What is the best way to avoid this? We should brush our teeth or clean our mouth after eating food. What would be even better? To avoid eating sugary food. Brushing your teeth with toothpaste helps in preventing tooth decay because toothpaste are generally basic and hence they neutralize the excess of acid in our mouth. The concept of pH also helps in understanding the self-defense mechanism used by certain animals and plants. If you have ever been stung by a honeybee, do you know what really causes that acute pain that you feel? It is the acid in that sting which causes the pain. So if we use a mild base like baking soda around the stung area, it gives us some relief. A wasp sting injects an alkaline liquid into the skin. So if a wasp stings a person, then rubbing a mild acid like vinegar on the stung area of the skin can give some relief. In nature, there are nettle leaves which have stinging hair, and they inject acids upon touching them. Again, baking soda can be used to neutralize the effect of this acid. So children, these were some of the ways in which the concept of pH is used in daily life.